Hello, with this video we're going to go through the benefits of using the incoming material station to register material in your company. I'm going to refer to the incoming material station as the IMS throughout this video. Here we have an ESD table. This is an ESD glass area. This is the area where we position things we want to register in the company. As long as we have a label on top, we can read and register anything. We can read 1D, 2D codes, data matrix, QR code, PDF 417 and many other formats. Underneath the glass we have a powerful camera and a powerful PC. Underneath the table on the sides we can store either 7 or 15 inches cases for those of you that are using our automated storages to manage their material. On top of the table we have a demo printer. You don't need to stick to this brand or model, you can choose your own. Here we have 2 screen touch monitors to visualize 2 different software modules. One is the auto-incoming software and one is the data match module. The auto-incoming software comes by default with the IMS. This is the area where we see what we want to register in the company, and this is the area where we retrieve the data from the labels. Here on the bottom we see some buttons. The button Auto Detect is applying the standard HR rules. So if the supplier is labeling the material using standard HR, following standard HR, we will not need to create a special custom rule. For those suppliers instead that are not using standard HR, we have the possibility to create custom rules. We also can assign to the Auto Detect button the possibility to run through all the rules, so we don't have to press a specific button by supplier. On settings we can set rules by using regular expressions, or we can also map the labels easily and assign to each barcode the information we want to store. We can also apply some custom matches. We can define which fields are mandatory and many other things we will see later on. The data match module instead is an option. It's a module that connects to the ERP system with a custom connection either through APIs or file sharing. Here we see the list of all the open orders by supplier. By double clicking we can see this supplier has 2 open orders. Let's jump right in on a real example. So I'm going to run the creation of material against an open order, so you can see how simple it is for an operator to run to register material. So I will select the open order here and I will start scanning the material. I'm creating a unique ID for each one of those materials. And while I'm doing this, the data match module is registering the material against the open order. All right. The information on the label, you can personalize it to your needs. So you can visualize the unique ID, the part number, or anything you really want. Okay. So we're done creating 6 reels, new reels. We can load this material now. Let's see what has happened on the data match module. We can see the reels that have been created. Those are the unique IDs. Those are the internal part numbers, and those are the quantities. Those are the records, the line records of the PO that have been either completed, closed, or partially completed. Here we can see the reels that have been associated to those fields. By pressing the commit button, the information will be sent to the ERP system. As you can see, it was very simple for the operator to perform the registration of material. Let's see now also what is happening when we scan the material on the auto-incoming.